Look around you. What is the first color you see? Is it the calming blue of the sky? Or perhaps the vibrant green of a plant reaching for the sun? We often take color for granted, yet it plays a profound role in our lives. Colors have the power to shape our emotions, influence our decisions, and even alter our perception of the world around us. Imagine a world without color. It would be a dull and lifeless place. Color is the spice of life. It adds flavor to our experiences and makes the world a more interesting place. Just as the cosmos shimmers with a billion points of light, our lives are made richer by the infinite spectrum of color. But color is more than just a visual treat. It's a powerful language that speaks to our subconscious. Throughout history, different cultures have ascribed meanings to colors, weaving them into their art, myths, and rituals. From the vibrant reds and golds that symbolize prosperity in many Asian cultures to the calming blues and greens associated with peace and tranquility in the West, color transcends borders, whispering tales as old as time itself. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of color psychology. We'll uncover the secrets behind our color preferences and discover how hues can be harnessed to enhance our daily lives. Prepare to be amazed by the profound impact color has on the human experience. Color is energy, pure and simple. It's a fundamental aspect of our world, influencing everything from our emotions to our actions. But what exactly is color? At its core, color is a form of light energy, a spectrum of light waves vibrating at different frequencies. These light waves, each with their own unique frequency, interact with our eyes and brains in fascinating ways. When light hits an object, certain wavelengths are absorbed while others are reflected. The reflected light is what we perceive as color. Our brains then interpret these reflected light waves as a kaleidoscope of hues, creating the vibrant world we see around us. This process is not just a simple reception of light, it's a complex interaction between our sensory organs and our neural pathways. But how do these waves translate into emotions, associations, and even actions? The answer lies in the intricate relationship between our brains, our bodies, and the world around us. Colors can evoke a wide range of emotions, from the calmness of blue to the excitement of red. This emotional response is deeply rooted in our biology and psychology. Our brains have evolved to associate certain colors with specific feelings and reactions. For instance, the color green is often linked to nature and tranquility, while yellow can evoke feelings of happiness and energy. Let's delve into the science for a moment. When light enters our eyes, it triggers specialized cells called cones. These cones are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, corresponding to the colors red, green, and blue. These cones send signals to our brains, which then interpret these signals as color. This process is known as color vision, and it's a remarkable example of how our bodies and brains work together to create our perception of the world. But it doesn't stop there. These color signals then travel to other parts of the brain, including the amygdala, which regulates emotions, and the hippocampus, responsible for memory. This complex network of interactions explains why certain colors can trigger specific emotions or memories. For example, the color blue is often associated with feelings of calmness and peace, likely because it reminds us of the vastness of the ocean or the clear sky. This association is not just cultural but also biological, as our brains have evolved to find these colors soothing. On the other hand, red, the color of blood and fire, can trigger feelings of excitement, passion, or even danger. This is because red is a highly stimulating color that can increase our heart rate and adrenaline levels. Think about the cultural significance of colors. In ancient Rome, purple dye was incredibly expensive, making it a symbol of royalty and power. This association has persisted through the ages, and even today, purple is often seen as a color of luxury and sophistication. In many Eastern cultures, white is associated with mourning, while in the West, it signifies purity and innocence. These cultural interpretations further demonstrate the powerful influence color has on our perceptions and behaviors. Understanding the language of color allows us to decipher the subtle messages constantly being sent to us. It's a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world we inhabit. Colors are not just visual stimuli, they are powerful tools of communication. They can convey emotions, signal danger, and even influence our decisions. For instance, marketers use color psychology to create brand identities and influence consumer behavior. By understanding the language of color, we can better navigate the world around us. We can use this knowledge to create more harmonious environments, improve our mental well-being, and even enhance our creativity. So next time you see a burst of color, take a moment to appreciate the complex interplay of light, biology, and culture that makes it possible. Color is more than just a visual experience, It's a profound connection to the world and to each other. These cultural interpretations further demonstrate the powerful influence color has on our perceptions and behaviors. Understanding the language of color allows us to decipher the subtle messages constantly being sent to us. It's a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world we inhabit. By paying attention to the colors around us, we can gain insights into our emotions, our memories, and our cultural identities. In the end, color is a universal language that transcends borders and cultures. It's a testament to the beauty and complexity of the world we live in, and a reminder of the deep connections we share with each other and with the natural world. We all have our favorite colors, those hues that seem to resonate with our very being. From the soft pastels that remind us of springtime blooms, to the bold, vibrant shades that evoke a sense of adventure and excitement, colors play a significant role in our lives. But have you ever stopped to consider why you gravitate towards certain colors? Is it merely a matter of personal preference, or is there something deeper at play? The answer may lie in the profound emotional impact colors have on our psyche. Colors can evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and excitement to calmness and serenity. They can even influence our physiological responses. Let's begin with blue, often touted as the world's favorite color. Blue is a color that is frequently associated with calmness, tranquility, and peace. It's no coincidence that many people find solace in the vast expanse of a clear blue sky or the gentle waves of the ocean. It's no coincidence that blue is associated with calmness, tranquility, and peace. The color blue has a unique ability to soothe our minds and bodies, making it a popular choice for spaces where relaxation is key. Studies have shown that exposure to blue can actually slow down our heart rate and breathing, inducing a sense of relaxation. This calming effect is why blue is often used in environments designed for rest and recuperation, such as bedrooms and spas. This makes it an ideal color for bedrooms and bathrooms, spaces where we seek respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Imagine coming home after a long day and stepping into a serene blue room. It's like a breath of fresh air for your soul. Now, let's shift our focus to its warmer counterpart, red. Red is a color that commands attention and evokes strong emotions. It's the color of passion, energy, and excitement. Red is the color of passion, energy, and excitement. It's a color that can stimulate our senses and get our adrenaline pumping. Think about the thrill of seeing a red sports car zooming down the highway, or the intensity of a dance performance in vibrant red costumes. It's no wonder that it's often used to grab attention, whether it's a stop sign on a busy street or a bold statement piece in a fashion collection. Red's ability to stand out makes it a powerful tool in design and communication. Red has been shown to increase heart rate and stimulate brain activity, making us feel more alert and energized. This is why red is often used in environments where high energy and activity are encouraged, such as gyms and sports arenas. Yellow, the color of sunshine, evokes feelings of optimism, happiness, and creativity. It's a color that can brighten our day and lift our spirits. Think about how a bright yellow room can instantly lift your mood, or how a splash of yellow can bring a design to life. Yellow is often used in spaces where creativity and positivity are desired, such as art studios and kitchens. Green, on the other hand, is associated with nature, growth, and harmony. It's a color that promotes feelings of tranquility, balance, and well-being. Green is often used in spaces where a connection to nature and a sense of calm are desired, such as yoga studios and parks. These are just a few examples of how colors can influence our emotions. Each color has its own unique impact on our mood and behavior, and by understanding these effects, we can use color to enhance our lives. By understanding the emotional language of color, we can make more informed choices about the colors we surround ourselves with, ultimately creating environments that support our well-being. Whether you're choosing a color for your home, your wardrobe, or your workspace, remember that color is more than just a visual experience. It's an emotional one too. Have you ever wondered why you're drawn to a particular product on a crowded shelf? It's not just a random occurrence or a mere coincidence. There's a fascinating science behind it. Or why a certain website seems more trustworthy than another? The answer often lies in the colors used in the design. Colors can evoke emotions and perceptions that influence our behavior in subtle yet significant ways. While we like to think we're making rational decisions, the reality is that color plays a powerful role in influencing our choices, often without us even realizing it. Our brains are wired to respond to colors in specific ways, and marketers have become adept at leveraging this to their advantage. Think about your last trip to the grocery store. As you walked down the aisles, your eyes were likely drawn to certain products more than others. This isn't just because of the product itself, but because of the colors used in the packaging. Were you drawn to the brightly colored packaging of your favorite cereal? Bright colors like red, yellow, and orange are often used to grab attention and convey excitement or energy. These colors can make a product stand out on a crowded shelf. Or perhaps you reach for the product with the most appealing color scheme. Colors like green and blue can evoke feelings of calmness and trust, making them popular choices for products that want to convey reliability and health. Marketers understand the power of color and use it strategically to capture our attention and influence our purchasing decisions. They conduct extensive research to determine which colors will resonate most with their target audience. Studies have shown that people make judgments about a product within 90 seconds of initially interacting with it. And up to 90% of that assessment is based on color alone. That's a powerful statistic. It underscores just how critical color is in the decision-making process. This means that the color of a product can make or break its success in the market. A well-chosen color can attract customers and encourage them to make a purchase, while a poorly chosen color can have the opposite effect. It highlights the importance of understanding color psychology, not just for marketers, but for anyone who wants to make informed decisions. Consider the color blue. Blue is often associated with trust, security, and reliability. It's a color that can make people feel safe and confident. As we discussed earlier, blue is often associated with trust, security, and reliability. This is why many financial institutions and tech companies incorporate blue into their branding. They want to convey a sense of trustworthiness and dependability to their customers. It's no coincidence that many financial institutions and tech companies incorporate blue into their branding. They understand that the color blue can help build a positive perception of their brand. Green, with its association with nature and growth, is often used by companies promoting eco-friendly or healthy products. Green can evoke feelings of freshness, health, and environmental consciousness. By understanding the subtle ways color influences our choices, we can become more conscious consumers. We can start to recognize when our decisions are being swayed by color and take a moment to consider other factors. We can learn to look beyond the surface and make decisions based on factors beyond the allure of a particular hue. By doing so, we can make more informed and thoughtful choices that align with our true preferences and values.